Alright guys, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you in the dyno stand we happen to have one of our 347 stroker engine combinations. This thing came out absolutely sweet looking. Let me give you a little bit about the build. We got the your 302 block, we got Eagle crank, Eagle I-beam rods, a nice set of forged pistons. We set this thing up with a beautiful set of AFR enforcer cylinder heads. It's got the stainless steel roller rockers on it, hydraulic roller cam custom ground for us. This gentleman chose to go with the Sniper fuel injection and painted all black, which I think is going to look really sweet in his 90 Mustang. If we can help you out with this build or something similar to this, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take care of the dyno run.